This type of event never happened in Goa. This is the first kind of a event is happening in Goa, and all eminent speaker, all association president, secretary, all players, referees, international media, everyone, you are there. It's a good initiative by Sportscast and Hindu Group. 10 crores is our budget. We want to increase our budget to for international matches to be held here in Goa. And 6 crores is for football and GFA. So till now we are waiting to get that money. We have put a file, but the government system is. See, to run any sports is not easy task. Last one, since November I have taken my charge. We spent more than 6-7 crores, and government has given only, apart from national game, only 12 lakhs. Is this possible to run a organization in 12 lakhs? No. So government should think about it and come forward and support. See, we have registered player in Goa, 2,60,000 players in Goa, highest in the country, 200 grounds in their custody. We asked them to release 11 grounds. Till today they have not released.